You're looking at two heavyweights on Sherwin-Williams' shelf. They both say emerald, but they're not the same. And they're definitely not cheap. If you're dropping this kind of money on a paint job, you definitely can't afford to pick the wrong one. Today we're cutting through the marketing to tell you exactly which one belongs in your house and why the Rain Refresh version might turn your project into a headache if you don't know its little secrets. Let's start with the standard emerald exterior. Here's the good things about it. It's a proven high-performance acrylic that has been an industry standard for years. It's more forgiving to apply and offers a more standard recoat window. It provides excellent durability and resistance to peeling and blistering in a variety of climates. Here's the cons. Obviously, it goes without saying that both of these products are a premium price, so neither of them are going to be a budget option. This doesn't contain that self-cleaning technology, meaning that it is going to collect dust and grime over time, and you'll have more frequent cleanings. It also contains paraffinic oil, which can occasionally lead to surfactant leaching. That's those sticky brown streaks that you sometimes see on fresh paint. As we now take a moment and focus on the Rain Refresh version, here's the pros. It does utilize that hydrophilic technology, which allows rain to sheet off the surface and wash away dirt and pollen. This formula is engineered without paraffinic oils, which are found in that standard emerald paint. Because of this, you significantly reduce the risk of surfactant leaching. It also utilizes crystalline silica to create an extremely hard, smooth film that prevents dirt from finding the mechanical grip. Here's the bad. Obviously, before we talked about that premium price. Also, the recoat time. While it can be recoated in 4 hours in moderate temperatures, you need to be aware of your environment. Colder temperatures can actually extend that window to 24 to 48 hours. Also, there's tape sensitivity. Due to the slick hydrophilic surface, standard masking tape will not stick properly to these surfaces. You have to use a high-tack tape to get a reliable bond. Also, they do recommend allowing the coating to dry for at least 24 hours before you apply any tape to the surface. Otherwise, you run the risk of damaging the film. So, where does this leave you? Well, go with the standard emerald exterior if you want a rock-solid, proven finish that you don't have to overthink. Or if you're managing the project yourself and you would like the standard workflow. This is going to be your winner. Go with the Rain Refresh if you live in a high pollen or high dust area, or you're just simply sick of having to pressure wash your house a couple of times a year. If you're willing to play by the rules, use the high-tack tape, and respect the waiting periods, this can be an absolute game changer for exterior maintenance. So, which one are you choosing for your next project? Let us know in the comments. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.